hidden deep inside our veins. Tiny codes, bright joys and pains. Every cell begins to grow, following paths we never know. Life's design in silent streams, carried softly through our genes. Every breath, every fight,